Did you know that according to US traffic safety data, nearly 30% of vehicles on the road have at least one underinflated or worn out tire? But here's something most drivers ignore. The wrong tire brand doesn't just reduce safety, it destroys ride comfort, increases road noise, and can wear out 20,000 miles earlier than expected. If you want tires that can realistically last 60,000 to 80,000 miles while delivering a smooth, luxury-like ride, this video will save you money and frustration. Today, we are revealing 11 best tire brands known for long tread life, quiet performance, and real-world durability. Stick until the end because we will also uncover 3 worst tire brands that can put your life in danger. Let's start with one of the best tire brands. Number 1, Michelin, the king of longevity. Michelin consistently ranks at the top in independent treadwear tests across the US. Many Michelin touring tires, like those in the Defender lineup, come with warranties up to 80,000 miles. And real-world drivers often confirm reaching 70,000 plus miles with proper maintenance. According to Consumer Reports surveys, Michelin frequently scores highest for both owner satisfaction and tread life. This brand utilizes its proprietary Max Touch 2.0 technology to optimize the tire's contact patch, ensuring that acceleration, braking, and cornering forces are distributed evenly for a significantly longer lifespan. These brands also design their internal structure to absorb vibration, which dramatically reduces road noise on highways. Many drivers switching from budget tires say the difference in ride smoothness feels like upgrading the suspension system. Yes, Michelin costs more up front, but when calculated by cost per mile, they often become one of the cheapest long-term investments. Number 2, Continental, the safety architect. Continental's True Contact Tour is the premier choice for 2026 drivers who refuse to compromise on wet weather safety. The brand's hallmark Eco Plus technology utilizes specialized polymers to reduce rolling resistance, which not only extends the tread life to a robust 80,000 miles, but also significantly improves fuel efficiency and EV range. What sets Continental apart is its comfort ride layer. Their asymmetric tread pattern features high silica content, providing some of the shortest stopping distances in the industry on rain-slicked pavement. This makes Continental tires ideal for family SUVs and crossovers, where passenger safety and a smooth, predictable ride are the top priorities. Number 3, Bridgestone, the luxury whisperer. Bridgestone is one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world, and their touring models are engineered specifically for comfort and longevity. Their Turanza series frequently comes with tread warranties up to 80,000 miles, placing them among the top in durability. Independent road tests in the US show Bridgestone performing exceptionally well in wet braking distances while maintaining ride comfort. They use nano-protec rubber compounds to reduce heat generation at a molecular level, which is the primary catalyst for tire degradation. Bridgestone tires are particularly ideal for modern hybrid and electric vehicles, where the lack of engine noise makes tire roar more apparent. With a focus on high-speed stability and a cloud-like ride, Bridgestone remains the go-to brand for luxury touring and long-distance road trips. Number 4. Pirelli, the performance comfort hybrid. Pirelli has successfully pivoted its racing heritage into the consumer market with the P7 All-Season Plus 3, which is a tire specifically tailored for the North American driver's demand for high mileage and all-weather versatility. By utilizing a functionalized polymer compound, Pirelli has achieved a 70,000-mile lifespan while retaining the spirited handling and road feel that the brand is famous for. The asymmetric tread design features larger outboard shoulder blocks to improve cornering stability, making it an ideal match for sporty sedans and coupes. It also features a specialized siping pattern that remains effective in light snow, offering a year-round solution for drivers in temperate climates. Pirelli is the perfect choice for the driver who wants their car to feel responsive and connected to the road, without the harshness or frequent replacements of a dedicated sport tire. Number 5. Falken tires. Falken has built a strong reputation in the US market for delivering impressive durability at a competitive price point. Many of their touring and all-season tires, such as the Sincera and Zyx lines, come with treadwear warranties ranging from 65,000 to 75,000 miles. What makes Falken stand out is its advanced dynamic range technology, which enhances flexibility in different temperatures, helping the tire wear more evenly over time. Drivers frequently report that Falken tires maintain consistent road feel even after 40,000 miles, without developing excessive road noise. Another advantage is their reinforced internal construction. If you want long-lasting performance and a comfortable ride without paying top-tier prices, Falken delivers serious value. Number 6. Goodyear, the all-weather specialist. Goodyear has been trusted in America for over 120 years, and their modern touring tires prove why they remain relevant. It consistently delivers a blend of longevity, comfort, and confident performance that many drivers can feel on the road. Touring lines like the Assurance Comfort Drive often feature treadwear warranties from 65,000 to 75,000 miles, which places them well above average for all-season tires in their class. Which means longevity doesn't come at the expense of safety. Drivers transitioning from budget brands often describe the Goodyear ride as noticeably quieter and smoother, especially at highway speeds. If you want dependable performance, reduced road noise, and long life without paying ultra-premium prices, Goodyear ranks high on the list. Number 7. Yokohama, the engineering value king. Yokohama might not have the same market share as some larger global brands, but enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike appreciate how well this company balances tread life and refined ride quality. Touring models like the Avid series often carry warranties up to 75,000 miles, which signals strong confidence in long-term durability. For comfort, the brand employs a multi-pitch tread design that varies the size of the tread blocks to create different sound frequencies that cancel each other out. This results in a ride that is exceptionally quiet, even on rougher concrete surfaces where other tires might struggle. Yokohama tires are ideal for reliable daily drivers like the Honda Accord or Toyota Camry, where the owner wants a tire that enhances the car's natural balance and longevity. Number 8. Vredestein, the European all-weather pro. Vredestein has become a breakout star in the 2026 market with the Quatrack Pro Plus, the first all-weather tire designed specifically for high-performance crossovers and SUVs. This European brand focuses on a high-silica, high-resin compound that provides glue-like traction on wet pavement, outperforming many top-tier rivals in hydroplaning resistance. The Quatrack Pro Plus is unique for its asymmetric, winter-tuned tread. While its lifespan is typically around 50,000 to 60,000 miles, its superior handling and 3-peak mountain snowflake certification make it a versatile powerhouse for all 4 seasons. For the driver who demands a premium, European driving dynamic and needs to tackle mountain passes as easily as highway commutes, Vredestein is the ultimate choice. Number 9. Hankook, the precision value leader. Hankook has moved from being a budget alternative to a genuine premium powerhouse that rivals the biggest names in the industry. Hankook has solidified its reputation in 2026 with the Dynapro HT2 and the Kinergy XP series, offering a perfect balance of high-end engineering and competitive pricing. This brand is ideal for modern SUVs and crossover drivers who demand a tire that can handle high-speed highway stability while maintaining a plush ride quality. Their proprietary sound absorber technology uses a specialized polyurethane foam inlay to reduce cabin noise by up to 10 decibels, allowing their flagship touring models to carry a confident 70,000 to 80,000 mile warranty. The inclusion of 3D Sipe technology ensures that the tire maintains its bite on wet and snowy roads even after several years of use. Hankook is the ideal brand for the practical car owner who wants elite-level comfort and safety features at a mid-range price point. Number 10. Toyo, the Japanese comfort innovator. If you are looking for a tire that makes your car feel like it's floating on a fresh sheet of asphalt, Toyo is the brand for you. Toyo's 2026 lineup, led by the newly launched Proxys Comfort, is specifically engineered to cater to the refined needs of luxury sedans and the rising market of electric vehicles. This brand is ideal for drivers who prioritize a silent cabin and a premium feel steering response that remains stable during high-speed lane changes. Their hallmark dynamic taper design improves tread block stiffness, which drastically reduces braking distances in wet conditions while ensuring the tire wears evenly across its entire surface. Toyo tires often feature silent wall technology and eliminate the high-pitched whistle common in many other all-season tires. For longevity, their advanced silica-reinforced compounds offer a tread life that typically reaches the 65,000-mile mark while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency through low rolling resistance. Number 11. Cooper, the American durability legend. Cooper is the workhorse of the tire world, built for the toughest roads and the longest journeys. This brand is ideal for drivers who frequently navigate rougher suburban roads or gravel paths and need a tire that is tougher than average. Their durable tread technology uses a unique chemical pairing. Cooper is also famous for its wear square indicator. That is a visual graphic on the tire that changes shape as the tread wears down, allowing owners to easily monitor their safety. The stable edge technology locks the tread elements together during cornering, providing the driver with a crisp, predictable steering feel that is often lacking in other long-life tires. For safety, their high-content silica compound provides exceptional grip in light snow and heavy rain. Cooper is the best match for the high-mileage driver who values made-in-the-USA reliability and a tire that can withstand significant road abuse. Now, for the part of the video that might save your life, or at least your insurance premium. It's time to look at worst tire brands that can put your life and safety in danger. Number 1. AKS Tires. AKS tires are frequently categorized as Tier 4 products, often found in the deepest discount bins of online retailers. Professionally, these tires are criticized for their lack of advanced rubber compounds, such as high silica mixtures, which are essential for maintaining flexibility in cold or wet conditions. Statistics from independent testing often show AKS models struggling with UTQG temperature ratings of C. This lack of thermal resilience significantly increases the risk of tread separation or blowouts when the tire is under load in summer months. Furthermore, their tread life is notoriously short, with many users reporting the need for replacement after just 15,000 to 20,000 miles. Number 2. Firestone Tires. Including a household name like Firestone in a worst category may seem surprising, but in 2026, specific models like the Transforce AT and Destination LE3 have become the Achilles heel of the brand. Professional feedback and consumer data indicate a disturbing trend. These tires often perform brilliantly for the first 15,000 miles, but then experience a performance cliff where wet traction disappears almost overnight. Many truck owners report the tires feeling like glass on wet pavement once the tread is only 40% worn. Additionally, there have been widespread reports of mold defects and cosmetic delamination where the sidewall letters or layers begin to peel, which, while often labeled as cosmetic by the manufacturer, points to inconsistent quality control at the factory level. Despite being marketed as 60,000 or 70,000 mile tires, real-world longevity for these specific lines often tops out at 25,000 miles before they become dangerously loud or lose their ability to grip in light snow. That's all for this video. Now I want to hear from you. Which tire brand are you currently using, and how many miles have you actually gotten out of them? Drop it in the comments.